Smith, can I be honest for a second?
Always. What's going on?
Was, were, and had are destroying my brain lately.
Oh yeah, those three confuse a lot of English learners.
Seriously, every time I tell a story, I freeze.
Don't stress. By the end of this lesson, you're going to use them like a native speaker.
That sounds impossible right now.
Now, trust me, we're keeping this super simple today.
Good, because my brain is already tired.
All right, let's start with was and were.
Okay, hit me.
These are for situations, feelings, descriptions, and locations in the past.
So, not actions?
Exactly. No action energy here.
Give me a real example.
I was tired yesterday.
Okay, that's a feeling.
Right. Or the movie was boring.
Oof, I know a few movies like that.
Same here.
So, when do we use were?
Were is for you, we, and they.
Like, they were late?
Perfect.
Or we were at the mall?
Exactly. That's a location.
Wait, so was and were are basically describing the situation?
Boom. Exactly.
Yo, that actually makes sense now.
See? English gets easier when you stop overthinking.
Facts.
All right, now let's make them negative.
Ah, yes, the scary part.
Relax. It's easy. We just say wasn't and weren't.
I wasn't ready.
Perfect.
They weren't happy.
Excellent.
Wow, that sounds way more natural than I expected.
Because native speakers use these all the time in daily conversation.
Okay, now explain had before my brain explodes.
All right. Had has two big jobs.
I'm listening carefully.
First, possession.
Like, I had a car?
Exactly.
Easy enough.
Second, something happened before another past event.
Ah, the older past.
Yep.
Give me an example.
I had eaten before the movie started.
So eating happened first,
Exactly.
then the movie started second.
Perfect understanding.
Okay, wait. This actually feels kind of logical now.
Because you're finally seeing the timeline.
All right, let me try one.
Go for it.
She had left before I arrived.
That was perfect.
Let's go.
Your confidence is leveling up fast.
For real, though, this is way easier than grammar books.
Grammar books usually make things sound robotic.
Exactly. Real conversations feel different.
That's why we focus on real English here.
Okay, quick test me before I forget everything.
All right? Which one sounds right? They blank at home yesterday.
Were.
Correct. I blank really stressed last week.
Was.
Perfect. We blank finished dinner before the guests arrived.
Had.
Easy win.
Yo, I actually understand this now.
Told you.
All right, quick summary before my brain logs out.
Let's do it.
Was and were describe situations, feelings, or locations.
Exactly.
Had shows possession or an earlier past action.
Perfect.
Honestly, I feel way more confident now.
And that's the goal.
All right, guys, now it's your turn.
Write 3 sentences in the comments.
One with was,
One with were.
and one with had.
Don't be shy. Practice makes fluency happen.
And if this lesson helped you,
Smash the like button and subscribe for more real English lessons.
keep practicing every day.
And we'll catch you in the next episode.
Bye, everybody.
Peace.